Alright, so if you have a problem on your printer after the Windows update, so what happened is my printer also with a scanner, so when I press Ctrl P it show my scanner, so I just fix it. I guess it's a problem of the new update. So I'm gonna talk about two ways. The first way is I found online, which not worked for me, is go to the settings, Windows I, and go to update and security, and then view update history. And once you go there, you can see the latest update, and you have to click there and uninstall. And after you're done uninstalling, you can restart your computer. And yeah, I couldn't go to that page on my computer, so what I did is go to start menu and type system restore, recovery, and then open the system restore. So yeah, what this does is actually go back to the previous version, which is your previous update, so you don't have to uninstall the update in order to go to previous version. So yeah, that's how you can do it. If this will help you, please subscribe, that will be much appreciated. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.